Qantas has come under fire for downgrading its domestic services into and out of Perth. Tourism bosses say it's appalling. The airline says the downturn in mining meant it's had no choice.
Qantas's profit might be soaring, $975 million sky high, but the Perth market is experiencing turbulence.
We're also seeing certainly demand reducing intrastate as a result of what's happening in the resource sectors.
20,000 mining jobs were lost last financial year. Qantas responded last month by axing 4,500 seats per week to the East Coast, one daily return flight to Melbourne, and replacing 6 large and luxurious Sydney flights operated by A330s with 737s.
We've reduced the number of seats in line with demand.
Virgin is axing flights to Phuket and replacing Bali flights with Tiger, but at this stage the two airlines and Jetstar haven't axed any East Coast flights. That's despite 16,000 less people flying to Perth last month compared to July last year. And Qantas doesn't expect it to improve anytime soon.
So overall what we're looking at for this financial year is about a 0 to 1% growth across the market.
But less seats won't mean lower fares. The average one-way ticket to Sydney has gone up by 16% in the last year. And while the airline says the Perth market's on the slide, it's still investing in high flyers, using star power to launch a new domestic business class lounge.
Perth should be very proud to have ownership over this. I've not seen a lounge like this in Australia.
As the mining and resources industry flattens, now is the time to be ramping up the opportunities for tourism and inbound travel into Western Australia. Now is not the time for Qantas to be cutting seats.
Qantas says it is still committed to Perth and is exploring options for direct flights from the west to Europe when it launches the 787 Dreamliner in 2017.
It offers very, very exciting potential, including exciting potential out of this market. Yeah.
Oliver Peterson, 9 News.